Hey guys, if you're back for another session, let's get right to it. This is something I like to call proportions, okay? It will be the best thing you learn today. So let's start with the question. A dozen oranges cost $2.70. Right there, this is called a rate, okay? Other things that this sounds like is maybe I go 200 miles in 5 hours. That is a rate. It has two nouns and something in relationship with them. So let's stick with this question. 12 oranges. 12 is a dozen, so you just need to know that. That's just knowledge. So memorize 12 is a dozen. 12 oranges is $2.70. Now, you might ask yourself, what's the point of this? What am I doing? Well, this is called your first fraction of your proportion, okay? Now, you want to set up a fraction across from that with the same labels on top and bottom. So the next fraction is going to have oranges on the top and a dollar sign because the bottom is going to be in dollars. Alright? And now, from this proportion alone, you can find out anything you want. If you want 2 oranges, how much 2 oranges would cost, you would put a 2 at the top, put the bottom with X. Okay? If you wanted to know, let's say, how much oranges can you get for, let's say, $6? You can do that with this, because then you just put an X in the oranges. When I teach you how to solve this, you'll be able to solve for oranges. Okay? So, let's read the question and ask what they want us to solve for. What is the cost per orange? Per means 1 orange. Okay? So they want 1 orange. How much does that cost? Perfect for what I set up, right? Well, guess what? There's a million questions on the arithmetic test that you could do the same thing for. Okay? So, what do we do from here? You make 2 circles diagonally. So the first circle is coming in from the top left. It's circling 12 oranges and X dollars. The second circle is going to cover the other diagonal. That's 270 from the bottom up to the 1 orange at the top. Okay? Now you ask yourself, which circle did I make with 2 numbers in it? Is it the circle with the 12 and the X, or the 270 and the 1? Correct. It is the 270 and the 1. X is not a number. X is unknown. So that is not your first circle we're going to use. So we're going to use the circle with the 270 and the 1. What do you do with these 2 numbers? You multiply them. So 270 times 1. Okay, that's easy. 270. And now the number left. So we used the 270, we used the 1. What number did not get used out of that whole proportion? Yes, the 12. You divide by the last number. So 270 divided by 12. Now you just divide. 12 can't go into 2. Bring up the decimal. 12 goes into 24. 2 times. 2 times 12, 24, yada, yada, yada. Guys, if you don't know how to do this, I would say go learn. I don't really want to go over dividing. I think that's something that we all learned in 6th grade, and we can all go on YouTube and figure out how to do all that. Okay? Your answer is going to be in the same units your X is in. Your X is in dollars, so our answer is 0.225. Now, since we're in money, you don't really say I have 225 millicents. I think that's what it would be called. So we're just going to say it's about 22 cents. Let's look at our answers. Is it there? Boom, it sure is. Okay? Please, let's recap. Always use these proportions when they just throw something in your face. What they throw in your face was a dozen oranges cost $2.70. Okay? That is like a package. You got to look at these packages, write them in a fraction, put an equal sign, and then they're usually going to give you one more number. This question, it was a per. So you got to look for that. It's always not a number, but it might be a word that means a number. Per means 1. So they wanted to find out the cost of 1 orange after giving you the fact 12 oranges is $2.70. Okay? My next question 3 is going to be the same concept and with more practice. So please go to that video and practice. Don't watch it. Don't listen to me. Pause in the beginning. Do it yourself. Follow my skills. follow what I taught you, and you will see this is so easy. And you're probably going to be like, wow, nobody has ever taught me that. Alright, that's about it. Once again, I do have a website, asvabmathtutor.com. You can go on there and ask me questions. You just have to log in. It's totally free. And if you're interested in online tutor, I can also provide that to you as well. Thank you very much, guys. See you in my next video.